place in this world, there are people who needs love and care. Why are they so different from us? Many of them are suffered from the natural disasters. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds. Famine is a widespread scarcity of food. Earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Tsunami is a series of water waves caused by the displacement of a large volume of a body of water. Do you want to remain the beauty of nature? Let's hand in hand with us to create a harmony living environment. Let's play a game with Q&S. First, answer the following questions with your own imagination on our sketchbook. Second, take a photo and scan your work and upload to our Facebook fan page. Third, submit your work with your basic content information, email address and name. There will be a prize delivered to you later. Question 1. How does the outermost husks of chestnut looks like? Question 2. How does the tree of pitaya looks like? Question 3. What is the name of this animal? And what kinds of food they eat? Please draw it or them out. The next section will begin after 10 seconds.